After the success of my previous Culinary Education Basic course and hearing all of your feedback and comments on the topics that you've liked and enjoyed the most, I've decided to make a separate dedicated tutorial on the food plating and the thinking behind a beautiful Michelin star food presentation. This class is more actionable than the previous one, and I'm going to show you several simple yet sophisticated plating techniques on the examples of 3 dishes. We are going to plate an entree dish, a main course dish, and a dessert. Just like in the previous class, I'm going to teach you how to think like a creative chef, so you can use and implement your knowledge to any kind of dish at any point of time. My name is Natalia Rudakova, also known as Chef Rudakova, and after completing this class, you'll have the power of creating beautiful, timeless, Michelin star worth food plating for any kind of food you choose to cook today.